Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the Unit 2 and the topic 2.1 from Unit 2 Pisces salient features of Chondricthyes and Osteicthyes. So what are these Pisces? Pisces are included under the superclass that Pisces, these are it is a superclass, and under this superclass the two classes are there mainly. The one is Chondricthyes and the another one is Osteicthyes. So first of all we'll discuss the general characteristics of Pisces or fishes. These Pisces are aquatic, that is, their habitat is the aquatic habitat or water habitat. It may be either freshwater or marine, and they are poikilothermic, that is, cold-blooded vertebrates. Their body temperature changes with the change in the environmental temperature. The skin of these Pisces or fishes is covered with scales or dermal denticles or bony plates. There is a presence of paired fins as well as the unpaired fins, supported by soft or spiny rays. The dorsal fin, then caudal fin, and the anal fins are unpaired, while the pectoral fin and the pelvic fin are the paired one. Then the tail is muscular and it is used for the swimming purpose or the propulsion or moving from one place to another. Then the endoskeleton of the Pisces, it may be cartilaginous or bony. Cartilaginous fishes are the chondrocys and bony fishes are the ileostomy or that we called it as the osteogens. Then organs of respiration in fishes are gills, but some fishes having accessory respiratory organ by which they can respire or take the direct oxygen from the air. The sensory system, that is a lateral line system, is well developed. The number of the cranial nerves are the 10 pairs in Pisces, and the sexes are separate, and the development is generally indirect. These are the all characteristic features of the superclass Pisces. Now we'll discuss the chondriocytes and the osteocytes. What are these chondriocytes? Those species having the endoskeleton cartilaginous that are called as the chondriocytes. These chondriocytes are mostly the marine with heterocercal tail. That is the what? The both the parts or both the halves of the tail are unequal, and that is called as a heterocercal type of the tail. Endoskeleton is the cartilaginous. The skin of chondriocytes having the placoid type of the scales. The gills are 5 to 7 pairs of the gills, but as they are cartilaginous, operculum is not present. What is this operculum? It is a covering, or it is a bony covering above the what? The gills, and it is absent in chondriocytes. No air bladder or lungs are there in the chondriocytes. The single ventral nostril on each side of the head is present in the chondriocytes. The spiral wall in the intestine is present to increase the surface area for the digestion and absorption. Then the claspers or the male copulatory organs on the pelvic fins of the males are present in the chondriocytes. These chondriocytes swims forward only, and the as they are having the claspers or the male copulatory organ, the fertilization is internal in Chondricthyes. Then the general characteristics of the Osteicthyes. Osteocytes are the bony fishes and their tail is the homocircle. Homocircle means both the half of the tail are of similar or equal size and shape. Then endoskeleton is bony. The skin with mucous glands, organoid type of the scales, cycloid or ctenoid type of the scales on the in the osteocytes. They lack the placoid scales. Gills are four pairs with operculum. Operculum is a bony plate which covers the gill. It is absent in chondriocytes. Most have a single gill opening on either side of their head. The swim bladder is present or air bladder is present which provides buoyancy to the fishes. Most can sense slight changes in water pressure through the row of sensitive pits on their side that we called it as a lateral line system. Most species produces eggs rather than have live angles. They swim forward as well as the backwards, and eggs usually fertilized externally. That is, fertilization is a external type of fertilization. So this is a example of the chondriocytes. This is a shark, and these are the five gill slits or five separate gill slits are there. Mouth is on present on the ventral side, that is the ventral side, and it having the scales hidden in the skin. These are the what placoid type of the scale. One and the what this one half of the this tail fin is smaller and another one is a longer, and such type of the tail, that is the heterocircle type of the tail. This is the osteocyte, and these osteocytes having the dorsal fins and this caudal fin is a homocircle. Both the are similar in shape and sizes. Both the half of the tail fin are equal in length, and that is called as a homocircle tail. The gills are covered by the bone, that is called as a operculum. Mouth, it is not on the ventral position, but it is anterior in position, anterior and terminal in position in the what? Bony fishes, and the body is generally covered with the ganoid scale or the cycloid scale or the ctenoid type of the scales, and showing the mainly the oviparous habit and fertilization is external. These are the teeth of the cartilaginous fishes, and the mouth is present on the ventral side of the head. These are the gill slits. If you observe, this is the shark. In sharks, these are the separate gill slits. This is the first gill slit, first opening, second opening, then third opening, fourth opening. Likewise, these are the external gill slits. These are separate external gill slits in the sharks. While in teleostomy, these are the gills, and all these gills open through the single opening or the single gill slit, that is in the bony fishes, and these gills are or the gill openings are open. These are not covered by any covering, while the teleostomy or in the osteocytes the gills are covered by the bony plate, and that we called it as a operculum. So these are the characteristic features of the bony fishes. You can observe this is the what operculum which is lifted, and this is a bone present in the bony fishes, and these are the gills. Operculum, it covers or protects the gills in the bony fishes, and a single opening or the gill opening is there in the bony fishes or in the osteoids. So these are the general characteristic features of Pisces, the characteristics of the chondrioids and the characteristics of the osteoids. Thank you.